And ayun, kinamusta niya yung siblings ko, and I said all of them are doing well. They're doing excellent jobs, and ayun, they're keeping in mind, they're heeding every advice you gave them.
Meron bang balita ka sa binigay sa kanya about the Philippines today?
Actually, wala. Hindi kami. We focused more on family today because I was supposed to, share some current events, but since nauna siyang magsalita, he asked about my mom first. He's always looking for her, actually, and he's asking updates on the situation. And I just said that we're doing the best we can and we're making progress in every way. You just have to be patient and to have faith. Kaya ayun, sabi niya, he leaves it all to God. Ayun.
Okay. Wala naman po siyang mensahe para sa Filipino people?
I told him kasi kahapon when I entered, wala pang tao dito. So, wala akong nasabi sa kanya about the supporters that are here. But today, since I told him about the prayer rally I attended yesterday, and he says he's very proud of me and he's very proud of you, everyone, his supporters, because ayun nga, you keep showing up, and it means a lot to him. It means so much to him that you look up to him in that way.
Kitty, how are you settling here in the Netherlands right now? Do you have jet lag?
Okay lang. I mean, I'm adaptable. I like traveling around. I like being by myself. After my visit yesterday, I just found a random cafe with matcha, and then I just read a book that I just bought. So I am doing fine. Of course, I get lonely also because the both of us, my dad and I, were used to sleeping beside each other. Ayun, kahit before he was taken, the night before, we slept beside each other. Ayun, it gets lonely, but I'm thankful that I get to see him, I get to talk to him, and I get to have these back and forth conversations with him.
Is your mom staying longer?
I don't think she's staying longer since she's gonna leave it to me, because also she has to tend to everything, the matters at home, especially with my sister, since yun naman din yung bilin ng ni PRRD na you also have to be there for Mira and to attend to the matters at home.
Well, when she goes, you have family here, huh? So,
Yes.
so many family
Salamat
here,
sa inyo.
So, please, just ask what you need.
I would like to ask Kit, how are you dealing with time management wise with your studies? You just mentioned yesterday as well.
Actually, no, nakakapagod talaga. Lately, I've been getting less than 8 hours of sleep.